Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. And to all our viewers and those recently subscribed, thank you and welcome to this channel. So we have another MailCall video to do today. This letter came all the way from Australia. This is from Phil Finds and Collects, and he's in Melbourne of Victoria. I believe he sent this letter a few weeks ago and it arrived last week. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to share with you what he sent me. Now, many of my subscribers will already know who Phil is, but for those of you who don't yet know, Phil has an awesome channel on YouTube called Phil Finds and Collects, and in it you can find videos on his coin hunts for Australian coins, his challenges that he set himself to fill up his coin albums, as well as his recent endeavor in the silver stacking journey. I think his videos are absolutely brilliant, so if you're not yet subscribed, hop over to his channel, watch his videos, and show your support by subscribing. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description text below, so you can click on that if you'd like to learn more about coin hunts and Australian coinage. Now, this is actually the second letter that Phil sent me, and if you'd like to watch the first MailCall video, I'll be leaving the link right up here. There are no written addresses written anywhere on the envelope, but Phil has confirmed that this is the letter that he sent me. So to Phil, thank you very much for this gift. This letter is actually quite heavy, so I'm quite excited to see what's inside. But before we get into this, please leave me a like if you enjoyed this sort of content, and don't forget to share and subscribe. So let's get into this. As usual, let's take a quick look at the envelope before I open it up. Right on the front, as you can see my postal address, and you can use this if you'd like to get in touch with me. You can also find this address in the About tab of my YouTube homepage. There's just one stamp here, and unfortunately it's not postmarked. But right on it, we can see a beautiful image of the 12 Apostles. This is a series of limestone formation off the coast of Australia. Nothing else on the envelope, so let's just go ahead and open it up. Alright, we're back. Thank you for staying on. I took a quick peek at the coins that Phil sent me, and he really went out his way to send me some really awesome coins. He also included this note, which I've read briefly off camera, just to make sure there's nothing too personal inside. And the note reads, "Hi Santa Georgie, was going to send you some firefighter, ambulance and Aboriginal flag coins as I had come into a few rolls of them. Added some newer coins that I saw you needed. We can sort out a trade later if you like. For now, they are a gift. Phil." Well, thank you very much, Phil. These coins here are really awesome, and they'll make a great addition to my Australian coin collection. I'm really blown away that you sent me so many. So let's just go ahead now and take a look at what Phil sent me. Okay, right off the bat, let's just start with these two coins. Both of these are Aboriginal flag $2 coins issued in 2021. They were initially issued only in sets, but have since been released for circulation. I only have one of these coins in my collection at the moment. It was issued together in a 2021 uncirculated coin set. So it's really fantastic that Phil sent me these two pretty much uncirculated examples to add to my $2 coin collection. So thank you very much, Phil. You can see the representation of the Aboriginal flag here on the reverse of the coin. And the gold part in the center, it's supposed to represent the sun. Again, you can see that this coin was issued in 2021. Oh, hang on. This coin is rotated. Phil sent me a rotated coin, an error coin. Can you guys see it? Let me just zoom in. Now if you look closely at the regular coin, the red color here, I believe it's supposed to represent the red soil of Australia. It's supposed to be at the bottom when you rotate the coin around with the effigy upright. But for this coin, if I was to rotate the coin, the effigy is on the side. So in actual fact, well, the engraving on the coin is correct, but the colors are printed in error. It's supposed to be in this orientation. So the separation line is supposed to be between these two dots. Something along this manner. This coin looks like it's a little bit rotated as well, but this one is definitely an error. It's just a printing error for the coin. Otherwise, the minting process for the engraving is correct. My apologies for the noise just now. Wow. I don't know if Phil intentionally sent me this error coin just to make sure, just to see if I could make it out or if I could spot it, but I did. So thank you very much, Phil. I'm not sure if this is a common error, but if I do find out more information, I'll add it below in the commentary. Okay. The next two coins that Phil sent me are these firefighter coins from 2020. And again, I don't have any of these coins in my collection. These two are in pretty much uncirculated condition. You can see the date of issue, 2020. Wow. Again, Phil, I'm really blown away. Thank you very much. Okay, here we have the recently released Ambulance Service Remembrance coin, issued in 2021, and they are also in pretty much uncirculated condition. Again, I don't have any of these coins in my collection. Wow, really blown away. The final coins that Phil sent me are these Aboriginal Elder $2 Australian coins. These here are from 2020, while these two are from 2021. All these coins are in basically uncirculated condition. And again, I have none of these coins in my collection. So wow, thank you very much, Phil. I don't know the mintage numbers for these coins, but I'll add them below. I believe they could have low mintage, but I'm not really sure. But if you are watching this video, you should be seeing the commentary below about the mintage numbers. Okay, let me just get these coins out from the flip and put them into square capsules so that I can add the color coins to my $2 coin collection. Okay, I went ahead and pulled out my Australian $2 coin collection album. I featured this album in one of my earlier videos. Nothing has changed, I've not added to it. But let's just go ahead down and add all these wonderful coins that Phil sent me to this album. Now, isn't that just awesome? And it's all thanks to Phil. So Phil, again, thank you very much. With that, I guess that's going to do it for this mail call video. Thank you very much for watching. My thanks again to Phil for sending me all these wonderful Australian $2 coins, allowing me to add them to my Australian $2 coin collection. Just a reminder, if you have not yet subscribed to Phil Finds and Collects, head over to his channel, go and watch his amazing videos, and show your support by subscribing. The link, if you need to find it, is right in the description below, so you can click on that to head out to his channel. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave me a like if you have enjoyed this content, and be sure to hit that share and subscribe buttons down here if you have not done so. As always, from all my friends here, you all please take care, be safe, and have a nice day.
Mm-hmm.